Hello all. In this session, I am going to explain the role of generative AI in software testing. And be there till the end of this session, guys. I am going to share something useful for you, that is for your job, etc. Okay, by the end of the session. So let's begin. So, generative AI in software testing. Okay, there are two things that I'm going to cover. Okay, will AI take away our jobs? Is first topic, and second topic is generative AI in software testing. This will be very much useful for your day-to-day jobs, guys. So be with me till the end of the session where I'll be covering this at the end. Okay. So before that, let me explain. Will AI take away our jobs? When I talk about AI, under AI, lot of things are there. Generative AI is one type of thing under the AI. Okay, under AI there are many things where generative AI is one such kind of thing or one such kind of set of tools under the AI. For example, under generative AI, okay, under AI we have the generative AI, and the example of the generative AI is all before us, that is ChatGPT, guys. Okay, ChatGPT, Grok, many things are there in the market. Okay, generative AI example is ChatGPT that everyone nowadays knows in the market, right? So, how this generative AI tools like ChatGPT, okay, are being used in software testing nowadays. Also, I'm going to cover with some example here. Just wait, okay? So before that, will this AI or generative AI will take away our jobs? The answer is simply no. Okay. Earlier, only the software testers, which are simple human beings, used to perform the software testing and used to achieve some results out of while performing testing as software testers. We used to perform different activities and we used to get some results. Till day also same thing is there, but something got changed. That is, if you want to get successful at your job, gone are the days where as human beings by yourself performing software testing and getting the results. Those days are gone. Nowadays the only trend that is happening is, or that our human beings need to follow is, we need to make friendship with AI. Okay, the current trend is like that, guys. Only humans is not success nowadays. Okay, the formula has been changed. Humans along with AI have to achieve the success. Then only we can achieve the success, guys. Okay, okay, we have to work together. Okay, the current situation is like that, guys. Okay, gone are the days where we can independently work without using any AI and all. Those days are gone. Okay, now are the days where you have to follow a new trend. Okay, if you want to stay in your job and to go well and all, you have to constantly prove yourself in your companies or at your workplace. For that, you need to make friendship with AI. That is a new trend. Okay, humans place AI success. Why? Because humans can do the work and get the results. But if the humans will take the help of AI, they can get the results in a faster way, and also these results will be in a better way. Okay, better results you will get. Okay, what you can do along with the AI, you can do in a better way. Along with that, you are getting the results in a faster way. Whatever the things that will take a lot of time to be done, okay, whatever the things that will take a lot of time for you to complete can now be done in some hours or minutes if required. Okay, the days are now converted to hours and minutes, guys. Okay, that's the reason we should not be in the old fashioned kind of people, where we believe that okay, what these AI tools and all, I'll work by myself. Okay, you should not feel bad about the AI tools. You should feel bad only when you don't use AI tools. Okay, I have been listening everywhere in the the LinkedIn and all those platforms that you have copy pasted it from Chat GPT. Yeah, it's okay, guys. Okay, it's there is nothing wrong in copy pasting from Chat GPT. Okay, you see, you are saving your time. Okay, the one who is commenting that you have done something bad, I can notice that you have copy pasted from Chat GPT. That guy is wrong. Basically, the one who has posted is very good. Okay, he's intelligent guy. Okay, the one who has posted. Okay, he has something to be done, and with the help of AI, he has done the work, and he posted that. Okay, that is a good thing. Why we are criticizing those kind of people in the market? Okay, why we are criticizing those kind of people in the market? We should encourage, guys, because gone are the days where we should by our own write all the stuff. We should our own write emails. We should by ourselves. Okay, write all these things and all, do all these activities and all. Gone are the days, guys. Okay, now the new trend is there where you will keep getting those kind of messages. how many times you'll criticize, guys? Okay, the one who are using it fast in a, okay, in the first case, right, they will get succeeded. Okay, you guys will keep seeing those results of them. Okay, mark my words. Okay, so human plus AI is equal to success. So that you understood, right? So AI is not taking away your jobs, but it's going to take away the jobs of the humans who are not using AI. Okay, got it right? The one who uses the AI tools is going to take away your jobs, not just AI. Okay, so that's a twist. Okay, now I'm going to cover one thing here, that is how to use generative AI in testing. One thing I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, earlier this particular activity used to take a lot of time, guys. Okay, for software tester this particular activity used to take a lot of time, but now you can do it, okay, just like that. Okay, so what is that? I'm going to reveal that. So part one, I am saying here, I'm planning to, share more such kind of things in the coming days. So let's start somewhere here. So then you will learn how to use generative AI in software testing with this example. Okay, fine. So part one, how generative AI can derive the testable requirements from the given BRS document. Okay, so let's assume that there is a project. Okay, let's assume that there is a project, guys. Okay, let's assume that there is a project. You got, this is your company, and this is a client company. This is a client company, and this is your company where you are working as a software tester, etc. Okay, you are there here. You're working in this company as a software tester. Let's say you are a software tester here. Now, this company has outsourced a project. Okay, so this particular company, people need to develop the software and test the software and release the software into the market. Okay, the client has expectation where this is a service-based company providing some testing and development services, etc., etc. The client has given a project. Okay, has given a project to this company, so and so company where you are working, and your job is to, assume that you are software tester, your job is to test the software, okay, until it gets released into the market. That's your job. Okay, as part of this, initially the client will share, okay, in some of the projects this will happen, not in all projects, guys, not in all projects. In some of the projects this kind of activity will happen where the client side team will prepare a document known as BRS document, which will contain all the requirements, okay, that need to be developed and tested here. Okay, this particular BRS document, there's one kind of document known as BRS document, guys. This document need to be, okay, according to the requirements specified in the BRS document, that particular application to be developed need to be developed and tested before getting released into the market. Okay, so the client will share this kind of BRS document. Okay, the client side they will prepare this, like BA kind of person. Okay, at the client side, the BA business analyst kind of person will create this BRS document and share it with the this company. Now, once this BRS document has been received by the different type of teams in this particular company who need to develop the software according to the requirements specified in the BRS document and test this particular software according to the, okay, requirements specified in the BRS document, okay, need to be done. But this kind of process, okay, let's not worry about the developers, what they will do with the BRS document. Let's look into let's be in the tester shoes, okay, and I need to, as a software tester, let's assume that I'm a software tester. I need to go through the BRS document, spend some time here, understand all the testable requirements. Okay. You see, I'm not worried about what, I'm not worried about what I need to develop because I'm a software tester. I want to only look into testing aspects. Okay. I want to go through this BRS document multiple times, understand each and every point in this BRS document, and then derive the testable requirements for my future testing activities. That's what software testers will do, right? Okay, this is a thing. Without generative AI, how the software testers will do this kind of activity, how much time they will take, okay, depending on the complexity of the application, the testers may take some days of time. Some days, it may be in days, sometimes it may go to a week also, depending on the complexity of the application. Okay, testers may complete it one day, sometimes 2 days, sometimes 3 days, or a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, like that. It may happen depending on the complexity of the application. The testers may have to spend a lot of time on this BRS document in order to derive the testable requirements out of it. Okay, once the BRS document is received to the testing team, the first activity the software testers will do is go through the BRS document, Okay, try to understand the application and then generate the or derive the testable requirements from this document and document them in an Excel file and share it with the client. Okay, share that testable requirements. Okay, the testers will go through this BRS document, understand all the requirements in the BRS document. Okay, and then create something known as testable requirements. Okay, testable requirements. Testers need to prepare some, derive some testable requirements after understanding this BRS document. Once the testable requirements are derived, these requirements need to be shared with the client for review. Once the client approves, okay, then testing team will go with the next activity. Let's not worry about the next activity here. In this session, this concept should be clear so that you can understand how the generative AI can be used in this process. Okay. During this process of, okay, where software testers will go through the BRS document and derive the testable requirement, that process is there, right? During that process, okay, what the testers will do, you need to, you understood, right? But how we can use generative AI? I'm going to showcase you in a proper way with a proper prompt and all those stuff. Okay. Generative AI means there are a lot of generative AI tools nowadays in the market like ChatGPT, Grok, and many other stuff are there. Okay. So we'll be using one of the generative AI tools. Okay. Let's say ChatGPT itself, and then, okay, go through this VRS document with the help of ChatGPT and then derive the testable requirements. What I can do, what type of prompt we have to put, how to write the prompts in a better way. Everything I'm going to cover in this session. This skill will help you like anything at your job, guys. Okay, fine. So with that note, let's go here. And there is a BRS sample BRS document I have, guys. Okay, at this particular link, I have the sample BRS document. I'll open the sample BRS document. Assume that this particular BRS document is created by the BA people at the client side, and has shared to the team, our team at in our company. Okay, so as software testers, we can go through this particular BRS document, okay, at this available at this link, and then derive the testable requirements out of them. Okay, fine. So what I will do here is I'll just go here. Okay, I'll just open that BRS document here, press enter, and you can clearly, okay, this is a BRS document, guys. Okay, T systems. Okay, just see here, this document looks very complex, guys. It's not so easy to understand. This document looks very complex. Okay, it's not so easy to understand table of contents. Okay, it's something related to mobile banking, mobile banking and all those stuff. There is ABDG kind of stuff is there. Word is there. T system, mobile internet 1.0 is there. 2.0 is there. Some different type of words are there. You have to spend a lot of time on this particular document to understand what is this BRS document all about and what the application is all about. You need to understand. Okay. The client will just give you this. The client side BA person will just give you this BRS document, and your job is to go through this BRS document and understand, okay, the requirements of the application from this document, and from that requirements you have to derive the testable requirements. Okay, from that requirements you have to derive the testable requirements. That's the thing, guys. Okay, from these requirements you have to derive. There will be different type of requirements in this document. Some requirements, for example, in this image is all about developers. Okay, we software tester doesn't need this image. Okay, developers can use this. Okay, so like that, many things are there. Text is there, images are there, everything is there. Now as software testers we have to spend a lot of time on this particular document, go through this document multiple times. Okay, it's not one time. You see, I've seen people going through this document multiple times, and it generally takes 1 or 2 days for the software testing team to go through each and every point, understand each and every point, and then derive the testable requirements from it. Okay, to understand this requirements from this document and then deriving the testable requirements, minimum to minimum, this particular document from this document will take 2 days. Okay. So all these things are there in the document. Now what I am saying here is I don't want to waste 2 days of time. Now I am not in an era of olden software tester. Now gone are the days where as a software tester have without using any tools have to go through this document and understand the document and derive the testable requirements. Gone are the days. Now I am going to make the friendship with AI tools. One of such kind of AI tools are generative AI tools like ChatGPT, etc. I'm going to make a friendship. By using these AI tools at my work, I'm going to get the results in a faster way. Okay, I'm going to complete my work in a faster way, and also I'm going to complete my work in a better way than I used to do without using AI tools. Okay, that's what. How to do that? I'm going to show you now. Okay, for that I prepared a prompt, guys. Okay, I have ideated a prompt. I'll tell you how did I create this particular prompt and all. I'll tell you. Okay, no need to worry, no need to memorize this prompt, guys. I'll tell you how to prepare this prompt and all. Okay, so now let me practically show you. This is a BRS document. In the new tab, I'll just type Chat GPT. There are different generative AI tools. So what are generative AI means? What is generative AI, guys? Generative AI means which will generate some content for you in the form of text or images or whatever it may be. Okay, any AI tool, okay, you can chat with it. Okay, these generative AI tools are kind of tools where you can chat like you're talking to other person. You can or chat, you can chat with these AI tools, and when you ask this AI tool in the form of chat, right, that text will be taken seriously by these AI tools, generative AI tools, and according to what you have asked it, it will generate some content for you. It will generate some content for you. Okay, these AI tools are nothing but machines. Okay, in the behind the scenes, they are like machines who have learned a lot of things from the internet, and you are asking something to it, and now it's generating some content from its learning. Okay, now whatever it knows, okay, from its knowledge, from the learning it has done, it will generate the content for you. Okay, generate the result for you. Okay, so fine. So without any delay, let's not dig deep into the generative and all those concepts, guys. Okay, there are a lot of concepts here. Okay, so ChatGPT is one of such kind of tools, and if you want to know more about the other tools, generative AI tools, just Google search for this generative AI tools. Okay, we'll get a list of tools like ChatGPT is one tool, guys. Okay, Claude is another one. GitHub Copilot, Gemini, Google Gemini. Okay, these are all generative AI tools, guys. Okay, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Okay, like many. So some generative AI tools will generate some text for you. Some generative AI tools will generate some images for you. Depending on the type of tools, they will generate different type of stuff for you, guys. Okay. So lot of generative AI tools are there. Okay, Grok also will be there somewhere. Grok also will be there. Okay, so it's not there here, but mm, so lot of Grok is another one. Okay, Chat GPT. If you search for Chat GPT, you'll get Chat GPT. Grok. Okay, Grok. If you say Grok, you'll get Grok. Okay, from X. Okay, X means earlier it was Twitter. Now Twitter is now changed to X, right? Okay, Elon Musk. Okay, Grok is by Elon Musk. Okay, like many people have many things. Okay, it's Grok looks similar to the Grok looks similar to the Chat GPT, guys. What do you want? Okay, like the Chat GPT. Okay, uh, Perplexity is there. Another one is Perplexity. These are different generative AI tools we have in the market, guys. Perplexity is another one. Okay, you can use any one of them, whatever you feel are doing a good job, because you can compare this generative AI tools and see which one is generating proper results for you. Based on that, you can take a decision. Claude is another one, right? Claude AI is another one. Okay, Claude AI chatbot. Okay, Claude AI. This is the one. Claude AI. Okay, just go here and Claude AI. Okay, iCloud and all those stuff. Okay. So you can use something, and then it will work like this. Okay, Claude will work in the similar fashion the way ChatGPT will work. Okay, a lot of things are there, guys. A lot of things are there. Free is also there. You can use what is free and all you can use. Okay, like there are many generative AI tools are there in the market, guys. Out of which, for sample, I will be taking ChatGPT, guys. You can use anything, but I will be taking ChatGPT for you. Just click on this. ChatGPT, introducing ChatGPT, some kind of link has come. Now I'll click on the login. I'll click on the login, guys. Here, I'll click on the login here. Once I click on the login, I will select ChatGPT here, and it'll ask me, okay, some user is already there here. Otherwise, if you don't have an account, right, it'll ask you to sign in. Okay, I can select my one of my Google account to sign in. Okay, that's okay. Okay, here already it got logged in, guys. Okay, in your case, it may ask you to sign up or create an account or sign in with some Google account. You can select sign in with Google account, and you'll be here. Okay, you'll be here. Assume that there is nothing here. Assume that there is nothing. I'll just remove all this stuff. Assume that there is nothing. Okay. So here I'll just click on new. What can I help with? Okay. So what the help I want here is, okay, whenever you are writing a prompt, okay, whenever you are writing a prompt in generative AI tools like ChatGPT, etc., right? Okay, whenever you are writing some prompts in generative AI tools like ChatGPT, etc., right? You have to write in a particular format, guys. The simplest format you can follow here is, okay, first as a some role. Okay, you have to mention role as a what? As a software tester, you can say, as software tester, as a developer, as a design artist, as a uh, interior architect, interior designer architect, okay, as a fashion designer. We have to set some role. Okay, this is the best way, guys. So you see, the people what they will do is they'll write prompt like simple typing, like okay, please give me like that. Okay, so that may work, but it may not give you better results. If you want to get a better result, you have to write in this way, guys, as a some role. Okay, as a some role, I want this. Whatever the goal is there that you have to write, whatever the task you want to give to the chat GPT that you have to write here. As a something, what you want, you have to write here. And here, some extra information you have to give. Third line you have to give. Let's say third thing that you have to give is extra information. Okay. Let's say I want this to be in 100 lines. Okay, as software tester, I want to write an article. I want to write an article on what is software testing. I want here extra information. I want this article to be in 1,000 words. Okay, and make sure that you make it easy. In a step-by-step manner you explain. Unnecessary details you don't explain. Assume that I am a very beginner. Don't confuse me. Explain with a lot of examples and make me understand what exactly software testing is. Like that, you have to give that extra information. Okay, whenever you are writing some prompts, right, there is something known as prompt engineering, guys. Okay, there is something in generative AI tools like ChatGPT. You are going to write some prompts. Everyone can write the prompts, guys. Okay, but how you can become a better how you can get better results if you learn how to write the prompts. Okay, you can write better prompts. Okay, you can mention, you can write better prompts. Okay, so with that note, guys, what you have to do is you have to learn this kind of technique where at least you don't have to do PhD at this point of time in prompt engineering, guys, but at least if you do this, okay, if you follow this simple rule where as a role you mention some role of in what you are thinking, an expert soft as an expert trader. Okay, as an expert trader, I want to make good money by investing in gold and silver. Okay, and give me like extra information. Okay, extra information, give me some good detailed tips, which includes easy techniques, make me help me in understanding the techniques, trading techniques in an easiest. Like that, you have to give extra information. Okay, I'm just giving a lot of examples. If you follow this three point process, right, you will be good at prompt engineering. Not an expert, but at least you will use in a better way. Okay, even though in the beginning days you can write the prompts in a better way. As a some role, I want something. What is that? What you want from the chat GPT to generate and all that you have to write here. In second, third thing is explain more about that, what you want, right? Whatever you wanted in the second line, right, that you explain more here. Describe it more so that chat GPT or generative AI tools will understand your requirement properly and give you the results in whatever the way you are expecting it to give. Okay, whatever the way you are expecting it to give. Okay, that's what is the thing. Fine. So that's the point, guys. That's the point. Okay, that's the point you have to follow. As a sum role, I want this extra information you have to give. Now, the same thing I'm going to do here. The requirement here is simple, guys. Right? There is a BRS document. There is a BRS document, guys. I want okay. I want the chat GPT to go through this BRS document, understand each and every line, okay, in this BRS document and derive the testable requirements for me. Okay, that's what I mean. I want to mention to the chat GPT. So how I'll give, okay, using this particular format, how I'll give. Okay, let's see. I'll go to the chat GPT here and say, as a software tester, okay, as a software tester, I want to go through this BRS document. Where is the BRS document available? At this particular link. Okay, the BRS document available at this link. Okay, and okay, available at this link. Understand each and every point. Okay, in this BRS document. And you see, as a software tester, you already gave the first point. Okay, now what you want the chat GPT to be done, that thing you are mentioning here in the second thing. This is the second thing. Okay, okay, every point in the BRS document and derive testable requirements. Okay, like this. okay, and derive testable requirements from it. Now I want to give extra information, guys. I want to give extra information what I want. Okay. So my task is done actually. As a software tester, I want this. I asked it already, but I want to give some extra information so that this ChatGPT will take me seriously and in my way, in whatever my expectations are there, extra expectations are there. By understanding that extra expectations, the result will be in a better way according to my needs. Okay, that's what. Okay. So what is extra information I want? I want to give that to ChatGPT apart from this result I want is, okay, make sure make sure you go through this BRS document multiple times, okay, and understand it well like any other. Okay, I'm just giving more expectations to it. Okay, any other. Okay, understanding it well like any other without missing a single pointer. Okay, missing point single pointer. Okay, don't be careless. Okay, and okay make sure you do the best job here. Fine. Derive the testable requirements, uh, you know by using derive the testable requirements, okay, which contains testable requirements IDs and testable requirement okay, testable requirement, okay, like this. Okay, then what else, okay, what are the extra information I wanted to give with myself as software tester? With the knowledge I have, I'll do that. Okay, at the end also give me, okay, at the end also give me what you underst- understood, okay, understood from the BRS document by making it easy for me to understand. Okay, that's what you have to say. At the end, also give me what you understood from the BRS document by making it easy for me. And derive all the testable requirements, and also you see how much patience you can spend here. Okay, and also present all the testable requirements uh, in a proper tabular way so that I can easily copy them into the Excel Excel file later. Okay, and I want to give it more instructions where I want to tell it that, okay, if you are unable to give all the testable requirements in a single shot, okay, single shot, at the end of the response you mention ask me more. Okay, ask me more so that I can use this prompt. Okay, so that I can use this ask me more prompt to get all the testable requirements. Response. So the ultimate goal of this prompt, of the current prompt, is to understand the things in the BRS document and things in the BRS document in an easy manner, and also to get the list of testable requirements from the BRS document. Okay. And also, if I have any other things left out, I can write. You see, as many number of extra information you, the more the extra information you ask, the response will be customized. Also, give me the name of the client and the project. Okay, project name and the project details. Okay, give me the name of the client and project details to in this response. Okay, in your response, you see there's no particular rule like this only you have to write a prompt, but high level format is like this, guys. As a what you want this to be done, ChatGPT need to wear the hat of the software tester in this case. Okay, instead of a normal developer or someone, right? The ChatGPT need to think in the terms of software tester, and what it need to do also you have done. Okay, so this is the work that you have given the work in just one or two lines, okay? But this all the things are some extra information that you have given to the chat GPT so that it will give you a better response, okay? When you press enter here, I'll copy this prompt. Here you see in earlier, I also have created a prompt like this. You see, you can also use this, okay? I'll give you some example one, okay? The more the ideas you will get, the more the better prompts you can create, guys. Example one prompt, example two prompt, whatever I'm using live, right? That is example two prompt, okay? This is example two prompt, okay? Am I missing anything? Okay. Mm, so here, give me more or something I can write. Okay. Ask me more or something I mentioned, right? Give me more. Okay. I can write give me more. Okay. Give me more. This is a thing. Okay. This is a better way of, okay. Give me more means it will give you more testable requirements. Okay. Copy this and I'll just write here. Let's see whether this is working or not. Okay. This has worked for me properly. Now I'm writing this one. Okay. Let's see whether this is going to happen or not. Okay. Whether I will get the result or not. If I get the result, we are good to go. Press enter. That's it. You see, now ChatGPT will do its job. It will go through this BRS document available at this link. It will search the web, go through the document, understand it properly. Based on the information provided in sample business requirement document, BRS document for the T system mobile internet from version, say upgrade from version 1.2020, a structured breakdown to assist you in deriving testable requirements and understanding the project scope. Client and project details. Since I asked it in the extra details to also give the client and project details, right? It has not given me any client details. Okay, but the project name it has given like T system mobile internet upgrade from version 2. This is the project that you are going to work on. You see, this will take a lot of time for the, because as a trainer and when I teach for a lot of students and ask them to find out what is a project, right? They would have taken a lot of time to understand that, understand what is the project all about. Okay, what is the project all about in this particular document. Okay, clearly it mentioned, it's nothing but system upgrading. Okay, so as part of the project, it's not like version one, T system mobile internet application you are not testing, you are testing the upgrading process. They are migrating from 1.0 version of the application, mobile application, to the 2.0 T system mobile application 2.0 we are going to test. Okay, so that's what is the thing. Okay, then understanding understanding also they are giving along with the testable requirements here used. You see, the way you have created the prompt, everything. Upgrade the existing mobile banking to enhance how sophisticated it has done, guys. You see, now you don't have to worry about the BRS document. Rather, you can go through the response given by the chat GPT and understand in a better way. Why to waste 2 days of time? Maybe you can do this in just 1 or 2 hours, okay? By giving 1 or 2 hours of time, you can complete the work nowadays. Okay, that's how this AI tools will help the software testers in getting the results in a faster way. Okay, that's what we are now. Okay, we are still not using this kind of generative AI tools or AI tools in the market to get your work done faster in a better way, right? Okay, you will be gone. Okay, you'll be replaced by the another software tester who is actually using the AI tools. Okay, Software testers jobs are going, guys. How? They are going to be replaced by the other software testers who are going to use the AI tools. Okay, not AI is directly going to impact you. They are going to be replaced. Software tester jobs are going to be replaced by other software testers who are actually using AI tools to get the results. Okay, better results and faster results. You see current operations or what existing functionalities, what is upgrade is going on. You see how summarized, how in a better easiest way. You see you don't have to spend so much of time. You see I already went through the document, right, guys? Whatever the ChatGPT has given here is it has done a tremendous work, and it is saving me a lot of time. Okay, I cannot blindly go with this response though. Okay, I'll use this response to speed up my work. It doesn't mean that I'll not go through the BRS document. After going through this response, I then will go to the BRS document to complete the things in a faster way. Okay, I'll not be dumb like whatever the chat GPT or generative AI tools or AI tools will give me the results, I'll blindly will not follow. Again, you will be in trap. Okay, if you're using the AI tools in such a way that whatever they will say, if you listen to it, again you are in trap, guys. Should not listen to them like that. Okay, rather you have to take the help from them, judge it. Whatever the result the AI tools are giving, you have to judge it as software testers. Okay, the task is not done. Once you get the response from the AI tools, the task is not done, guys. You have to judge the results given by the AI tools, and with that judging means should not blindly follow whatever the information came. You go through it, understand it, see what is correct, what is not correct. You have to figure out, and again you have to go through the BRS document, and this time very less time because you already understood the overview of the project. You understood this itself will take a lot of time, guys. Okay, you may have to spend 1 or 2 hours minimum here to understand the project overview. In the first iteration, you will go through the document at a high level to understand the project overview, right? Now you can do it very faster, right? What are the proposed enhancements? Also clearly mentioned: expanded service inclusion in the mobile banking, security improvements, okay, operational data, improving handling of master customer data and user profile. All these things they are giving as improvements. You see, these details will take you to create this. Also, it will take a lot of time, guys. Okay, testable requirements also they are giving. You see, TR001 and all the stuff. You see, this 10 requirements they are given. Verify the system supports mobile banking operators from four Asian countries. Ensure that the user profile manager management functions correctly. Allow users to create, update, and delete profiles. Another testable requirement. Confirm that account view functionality displays accurate and up-to-date account information. Test funds transfer feature for successful transaction between accounts. Validate report generation for user transactions and okay account statements and all. Check the integration and functionality of the credit card services within the mobile banking platform. Access the implementation of enhanced security measures, including data encryption and secure authentication. Evaluate the system's business planning to ensure minimal downtime during disruptions. Okay, verify the accurate handling and storage of the master customer data. Test the user profile module for role-based access control and permissions. A lot of things has come, but the list has not ended, guys. Okay, please review the about it and let me know if you need further details or additional requirements. Okay, so yeah, I'll ask it more, guys. Okay, give me more. I'll say give me more. Okay, give me more. It may have more kind of testable requirements left out. Give me more means it will generate you more testable requirements. Okay, just say retry. Give me more. It will generate it for you. Here are additional testable requirements derived from the okay. You see till 10 here it has given. Now 11, 12, lot of other next level testable requirements it is giving it for you. Okay, you see it's creating a lot of testable. You see this creation of testable requirements. Imagine by being in the shoes of the software testers, guys. This will take a lot of time for software testers to create one by one testable requirement, derive it from the by understanding the BRS document by yourself, right? Imagine the pain point here. How the generative AI tools are able to help you here in this process. You know, if you would like even more testable requirement, just reply, give me more. That means even more are there. Okay, press enter. Okay, 25 completed already. Let's see how many it will give. Okay, now 26 is coming. Okay, all the possible testable requirements are getting derived. You don't have to spend 2 days of time on this VRS document and come up with this kind of testable requirements. Maybe as a human being, you may not be able to get this many testable requirements. You may find out only few, but here the chat GPT kind of AI tool, generative AI tool is able to generate more, right? Than what you can do as a normal software tester without AI tools. Okay, so lot of lot of testable requirements are coming. All these testable requirements, I'll tell you what you can do next. Okay, let's get, you see, You can ask it for more also. Okay, 40 completed already. I want more. I want more. Imagine how much amount of work time you have to spend in generating that 40 testable requirements by going through the BRS document, guys. Okay, just ask it the prompts, guys. Ask the prompts here. Okay, ask the prompts and you'll get all the results. Just prompt. You need to know how to prompt in a better way. Okay, the initial prompt should be very detailed prompt. Okay, then later on, according to your needs and all, you can ask it whatever you want. Okay. So there are around 51 already created, guys. A lot of testable requirements are coming. Okay. There are a lot of requirements in this BRS document, and in that some development test requirements are there. Testing team understandable testable requirements are there. Okay. Testing team related testable requirements are being generated. Okay. Even more I can generate here. Give me more. I have to say give me more. Okay. I'll get more testable requirements. Continue testable requirements. You see, in a proper tabular format. Since I asked it to provide in a proper tabular format, it's giving me. Okay, you should not blindly copy paste all these testable requirements and then send it to the client, guys. That's not a correct way. Whatever the results the ChatGPT is giving or generative AI tools are giving, you have to review, guys. Okay, by going through the BRS document, you have to review this work earlier. You have to yourself go to the BRS document. You have to create all these testable requirements. That was the process. Now tool is create AI tool is creating all these testable requirements for you. Or your job is to only to verify that by comparing this BRS document with this testable requirements, it's correct or not. You have to understand. That's the thing. How simple it is now. A lot of time will be saved, guys, and a lot of testable requirements are getting created because of which okay. Would you like the final batch of? You see, final batch is there. It seems few more it can give me. Okay, not all may be correct, guys. We don't know. Not all can be correct, but at least the kind of work it has done, we should appreciate the ChatGPT or generative AI tools, guys, here in this case, because it has derived so many testable requirements. Now, our job is very simple, guys. Simply go through the BRS document at a high level with the understanding it has given in the beginning. Okay, overview understanding. With that note, you can go through the BRS document and confirm that whatever it has given is correct. Then, now go through each and every. Just use this testable requirement. Go to the BRS document and see whether it is correct or not. Okay, that's it. And finalize the testable requirements, then finalize the testable requirements. It's how simple it is, guys. Okay. Last batch of testable requirements it is creating, guys. Let's wait until it's completed. Summary. You see, it's also giving what should you understand from the BRS document also. Project name it has given. What is the goal? Okay. Make sure the system more secure, scalable, feature rich. Okay. Current system supports banking features in 4 Asian countries via great. Okay, the current system is difficult to extend and has insufficient security for a few features like credit cards. Main improvement in version 2.0. All this clearly it's mentioned, guys. Okay, you now have 85 complete testable requirements are organized with clear IDs and is ready for used in your test planning. And next steps, it's suggesting that you can use these testable requirements in your test plan. Use as software tester can put all these testable requirements in a test plan document also while sharing it to the client. Okay, or in Excel document you can do. Yes, I wanted to use it. It's clearly asking me if you want help exporting this to Excel, create a traceability matrix or deriving test cases from them. Just let me know, okay? But no, I don't want any traceability matrix or test cases, guys. I just want I want this particular testable requirements documented in an Excel file, okay? Can you export them into a downloadable Excel file for me? Okay, this is what you can say. And yeah, like this. Can you export them into a, okay? So that simply the next prompt that I have given here, I can delete this prompt because it's not required. This prompt will use, okay? Example, prompt to be used or example or whatever it is. Give me more is another prompt I have used. Give me more prompt, okay? Give me more prompt. To get more testable requirements. I have used this because ChatGPT will not give all the testable requirements at a single go. This is the original prompt, but it may not give the result in a single go. So give me more for getting all the remaining testable requirements. Final prompt was this one. What was the final prompt again? The final prompt was simple. Can you export them into a downloadable Excel file for me? Okay. This is the prompt I have given to ChatGPT as a third go. Okay, done. Let's see what it can do. Lot of work it is doing. You see how much of work it has done, guys. Okay, with a matter of some time, I'm able to do all this stuff. Okay, but as a software tester, I'll go through each and every. Okay, even though ChatGPT or generative AI tools is generating so many testable requirements for me, my duty is to, before confirming them, my duty is to verify all of them and across the given BRS document. Okay, I have to do some work manually, guys. This is where not AI cannot do everything for us. Okay, humans plus AI is success. I am saying only AI is not success. Only humans is not success. Humans plus AI is success. Okay, AI will do its work. We have to do our work together. We have to get a better result. Okay, but things will become very faster, guys. Okay, we'll get the results in a. It's analyzing and let it come. Let it get all the testable requirements in a document. It'll give you here an Excel file here. Okay, okay, the testable requirements have been exported in Excel file. You can download it here. You see how simple T system with the proper name it is giving. Just click on this. Okay, just click on this. You'll get the Excel file. You see it has created an Excel file for you. How crazy it is, right? Open this. Open this file, guys. Okay. You see, all the testable requirements have been here. Now compare the BRS document with this testable requirements and and try to see which one are valid, which one are not correct and all those stuff, and then send this particular document to the client. You see how easy it is now. You don't have to spend 2 days of time. You just have to go through this testable requirements in this Excel file and compare that with this BRS document and send it to the client. It will just in a 2 hours max you can complete this work instead of spending 2 days of time. Just in 1 or 2 hours, you can complete this work according to your expertise in software testing. Okay, if you're an experienced software tester, you can do this work in a faster way. Okay, here human intelligence is required. AI work is also required. Okay, AI help is required. Human intelligence is required, and with that, we got the results done, work done in a faster way and in a better way. Okay, better results we got. And now I got one question in my mind, guys. It was not giving me at the end. In the beginning, it didn't give me the proper, client name. Okay, can you tell me the name of the client? Okay. Can you give a, can you tell me the name of the client? Okay. Try to go through the document again for me. Okay. Like this, I given another prompt. Let's see. It's trying to find out, okay, who is the name, what is the client name because it's not given. Upon reviewing the BRS document for T System 2.0 project, it appears the client name is not explicitly mentioned. The document provides detailed information about the project objective scope and however, within the document, there is a reference to DSB Bank in the context of current operational functions. Especially it states, okay, that suggests that DSB Bank is the current user of the and maybe the client for the T system. Okay, it is important to know that this document is labeled as a sample and may use placeholder names for illustrative purpose. Therefore, while DSB Bank is mentioned, might not represent an actual client, but rather serve as an example within the sample document. If you require further assistance or have additional questions about the BRS document, feel free to ask. It is saying it's suggesting that maybe DSB Bank may be the client. Okay, DSB Bank may be the client. Uh, since I have went through the BRS document, there is something known as ABDG. What about ABDG? What about ABDG? Is it not the client? I'll ask. Okay, let's see what it will do. Okay. You are absolutely right. Sometimes it will not give you the answers, guys. You have to help. You see, that's why humans need to do friendship with AI. Not everything can be done by AI tools. You see, now when I said what another term is there, apart from DSB Bank, there is another term in this document. At a high level, when I go through the document, I have seen ABDG, guys. But I asked it, what about ABGD? It is not the client means. You are absolutely to the point. Let's clarify it properly. Upon reviewing the BRS document again, here is a key statement from the title section. Okay. Client is ABDG. Yes, ABDG is explicitly mentioned as a client for this project. You see, sometimes AI will fail. Sometimes humans will fail. Together, we work together, we'll get the results. Now the client name is clear, project name is clear, purpose is clear, the project purpose is clear, everything is done. This is how we need to work together, guys. Okay. Not always the AI tools can get you the proper results. Okay, you have to take the help of the AI tools, and you have to help the AI tools to get your work done faster way and in a correct way. Okay, and you should not believe whatever the things that AI tools will give you in a way. Okay, you have to judge the results, you have to understand, you have to work with it and get whatever the results you want. Okay, so with that note, guys, hope you understood. Okay, can you tell me the name of the client? Try to go through the document again for me. Okay, all this, whatever the prompts I have used in this particular session, I'm writing here to showcase like how I have used the Chat GPT, kind of one of the generative AI tools like Chat GPT to get the things that I want. Okay, so with these things, guys, with these things, I got all the stuff and I got an Excel sheet, Excel file with all the testable requirements. Okay, so this is how generative AI need to be used in software testing, guys. Okay, will AI will take away our jobs? No, guys. The one who knows the AI tools will take away your job. The software tester who uses AI is going to take the job of the software tester who is not using the AI tools. Okay. And humans plus AI by software testers making the friendship with AI tools can get better results in their work and will get success in their projects. Okay. So that is the current era, guys. The current era, we should get habituated to the current era, guys. Okay. For everything, you have to use AI tools. You should not feel bad. Should not feel bad, guys. Okay. For everything in your life, okay, not in your project, also in your life, also everything in your life, you have to start using AI tools. Then only you are going to get better results. Okay. Streamline today, guys. Just sit back and just try to understand what are the different activities you will do throughout the day and how can I use the AI tools to get these activities done in a faster way. You know, you can become, one person can become 10 people now. Okay, you see, you can make yourself as a 10 people work. Okay, 10 people are doing the work. Okay, that much amount of things you are going to get as a result if you use the AI tools at your work. Okay, there's one example, guys. Okay, how to use generative AI in software testing, where I showed you an example where how to go through the BRS document with the help of generative tools and and derive the testable requirements. This is one of the activities the software testers will do. There are a lot of other activities. Okay, so in upcoming sessions, guys, I will share you okay, I'll create more videos on this kind of topic, guys. What are the different areas where software testers can use generative AI at work and how to get the results. Okay, to get started, this is a very good example, guys. Now, start journey of generative AI in software testing at your work, guys, and get better results. Okay, so that's all from this session, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.